This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
Hi, Natalia. How are you?
Good.
Good. Thank you for joining us today for our cooking class. Are you going to help us cook today?
Yeah.
What are you making for us?
Bread and muffins.
Bread and muffins. Okay. Cool. So we are focusing today on foods that give us a lot of energy. Are your bread and muffins going to give us energy?
Yes.
Okay, so how? What are some of the ingredients that you're going to put in your bread and muffins that give us a lot of energy?
Eggs, milk, oatmeal, vegetables, fruit, and nuts.
Oh, nice. Sounds like you've got a lot of different foods from all of the different food groups. Yeah? And so when I eat foods that give me a lot of energy, what are some ways in which I can burn up this energy?
Running.
Okay, just running? Just go outside and run?
Like racing.
Racing. Fun. Are you going to be racing today as well?
Yes.
Okay, and who are you going to be racing against?
My sister.
Your sister? Well, I can't wait to see that as well, especially today. It's a nice day. It's nice and hot, so I bet you're definitely going to burn a lot of energy.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's get going. What are we going to do first, cook or race?
Race.
Okay, so let's go race. Let's go outside, and then let's come back inside to see how you make the bread and the muffins.
Yes.
so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you virtually again next week and at one of our resource centers as soon as we can. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed.